Greetings from Lonelyville, Fire Island, New York. And here is a look harborside on an August afternoon. Now let's take a ride through Lonelyville to check out some of the vegetation on Fire Island, which has a very high salt content when the water evaporates from either the Great South Bay or the Atlantic Ocean in the rainfall. So it's always interesting to see what's growing in Lonelyville. And this is where I saw cactus growing. And we've got 2 yards right here. Here is one. It looks as if it's even beginning to flower. And then to our left, there is some more cactus. And if you're looking at the growth area, it's not necessarily what you would think the prime growing soil would be for any type of plant. But the cactus seems to thrive here in this environment, growing right in the sand. We have what looks like some of the cacti flowers, and no worries about heat waves. We have a 3-day heat wave going up to 95 degrees in New York. The cactus will do absolutely fine. And if you wanted to transplant some cacti, you would just snap them in half and you'd submerge them in the ground, and they will be able to create roots. Very sturdy. See, there's a hole in that one. It's still growing. That one looks like Mickey Mouse. My grandfather had a home in Ocala, Florida, right by Silver Springs, and we would always look through the cactus to find one that looked like Mickey Mouse. So that happened here today. So hello, Peter Wolowski, thinking of you. Till next time, enjoying some of the vegetation that grows here on ever beautiful Fire Island, New York. Happy summer.